Hi, in front of me is ZTE Axon 7 and today I want to show you how you can install Adblock on your device. Start by going into Play Store, then type Opera Mini and download it. After that, open it. Now click Continue and allow and continue. Adblock is now on. You can check it out by going into any website. Oh, finally, okay. So now I will tap on this one. And as you can see, you blocked your first ads. If you wanna turn off Adblock, you click at the bottom right corner. Come on. Okay, and tap Adblocking. Now Adblock is off. You can turn it back on the same way. Thanks so much for watching. If you enjoyed this video, leave a like, comment and don't forget to subscribe. Bye!